Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable bedtime mode in Redmi Note 13. So guys, for this feature, first of all, go to settings and then scroll so that we have option of data well-being and parental controls. Just tap here and then again scroll. As you see, we have option of bedtime mode. So just tap on bedtime and then it is enabled already. Just enable this and then click to next. So as you see, we have time slots like it is start from 11 p.m. and it will be end to 7 a.m. So if you want to change the time, you can tap to time and then manage the time from here. Ending time also we can manage from here. We have days. If you want that Saturday and Sunday is off, so just disable this, and if you want enable, so just enable all the days and then click to done. After that, click allow and then bedtime is off, turn on at 11 a.m. and then click to turn on now if you want to turn it on. If you want to turn it off, so just turn it off. So just go back and when the time is 11 p.m. so it will be start and the bedtime will be enabled. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.